Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life, with me, Riva Majid, as your host, and also my friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi. So
Hello.
happy to see you tonight, guys.
Yeah.
It's how to say, it's a crowded studio right now. But we are safety in a safety condition right now because all of my friends are using masks to protect our body from the virus. And also tonight, as usual, we are having a conversation in our program, and we're going to talk about one topic that I will tell you later. But before that, smart listener, you can join us tonight in our conversation. You can join through our WhatsApp di 0811461011, and also you can write down your comments on our comment section on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar. Well, because this program is the collaboration program, is it correct? Yeah. Between BPEC Makassar and Smart FM Makassar. So with a good heart and pleasure, I want to present you guys to introduce BPEC Makassar to smart listener.
Okay, hello smart listener. I are from BPEC Makassar. Okay, BPEC Makassar is oldest community, especially learn about English. Actually we conduct in Benteng Rotterdam, but we know that we already during pandemic. That is why we should move from the Benteng Rotterdam. But don't worry, guys. We conduct in here in Secret BPC in Jipang Raya Street number 11. So actually, what is the benefit if you join with us? First, we already you can improve your speaking grammar because of course we conduct a small discussion, and also after that we can debate section, which is you can improve your speaking, not only speaking but critical thinking and confidence. And after that we conduct how to say building skill. Building skill in this activity, you can improve your pronunciation, grammar, and etc. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Well, the BPEC Makassar is one of the oldest English communities in Makassar, which because of the pandemic, they moved their headquarters to Jipang Raya.
Yep.
Before that, they always held a meeting in Fort Rotterdam. And then right now their weekly meeting always
Secret BPC.
held in secretary of the new headquarter of BPEC Makassar. Well, we've known about BPEC Makassar, and now I want to know who are you guys are coming to my studio right now. Please introduce yourself one by one from the corner to the corner. Who? Just choose who wants to be the first.
Mana? Ladies first.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening.
Good evening.
To all the to all the listeners. I'm Mala. I live at Kakatua. That's it.
Okay.
And I'm not the student anymore.
Oh yes.
Hello everyone.
Well, I'm sorry. Can you fix the microphone a little bit?
Check.
Check.
Okay, change. Just switch your microphone, please.
Sorry.
Yeah, so that I can
Check,
hear your
am I audible?
voice.
Okay.
It's
Hello
clear.
everyone, my name is Fikri, and exactly everyone calls me Fikri, and I'm still a collegian right now. Thank you.
Okay, we have Miss Mala, Mr. Fikri, and then the newcomer, smart listener. The newcomer, yeah.
Hello, I'm Dewi. I'm a full-time mother, a beautiful wife, and smart wife, and that's it.
Okay, thank you, Mom. Miss Dewi, welcome back, and also Mr.
Yeah, hello. Good evening, smart listeners, smart viewers also, wherever you are. Okay, my name is Absarilis. You can call me Diaz. I am ex of committee of BPC, and I'm here to discuss with us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Diaz. And the last one is our
Okay.
president.
Okay, hello smart listener. My name is Fahur Laksan Saputra, but almost people call me Achang. I think that's all.
Well, we have Achang, Mr. Diaz, Miss Dewi, Fikri, and also Miss Mala. So, it's so happy to have you tonight, guys. But I want to ask you, what actually the topic that we are going to talk for tonight?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about what? That's
Okay, so
necessary?
actually, as we know that like we're gonna talk about toxic people, which is like everyone always talks about that. So, so tonight we're going to share our opinion, but maybe we have a lot of different opinions about what toxic people is.
Oh, the
That's-
toxic people.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a good topic to talk because, how to say, around us,
A lot of
Yeah.
we are surrounding by the toxic people
Some toxic.
Yeah.
sometimes, and we have to avoid the toxic people, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I want to hear the definition from you guys. What's the toxic people?
Okay.
Yes.
Me first. Okay, if we talk about toxic people, actually this is a very large. It has large meaning about toxic people, but actually toxic people, in my personal opinion, is someone who can affect us to get negative energy and thief our positive energy. And I think toxic people is very dangerous for us because it can make our self is how to say, degrade, something like that. And everything about negative things is toxic. It's my personal opinion. I don't know with our friends.
So toxic is like a potions.
And negative negative things.
Negative.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, negative energy,
Yes.
especially. Yeah.
So it's mean, if I can conclude, the toxic people or the toxic person is anyone who has behavior adds negativity and maybe upset to our life, maybe.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So another opinion, maybe from Miss Dewi. You have your own opinion about toxic people.
Not opinion, but experience. Yeah.
Oh, experience. Right.
One of the reason I'm a little bit, I mean, several years, around 4 or 5 years, I'm no longer active on Facebook. Yeah. One of my
Yep.
heavy decision. Why? Because I want to be
You leave that platform.
yes platform. I want to be more privacy for myself from the toxic people. Yeah. And I only using one social media, and that makes my life is more self-healing than before. Why? Because I used to have to spend my time with the people who are always taking my time and asking me much more on direct message or by personal chatting and a lot of things. And like, yeah, they bring me into into the negative. So that's why now I'm more be enjoy for my life during I left the toxic people around me, whether it is from my family or my friends.
That's why you are ghosting.
Yeah. More or less, yeah. Okay, nice.
Not ghosting, but healing. Please look up to the beautiful word because we avoid the toxic word and also toxic people. Well, okay, we are in this room only the positive vibes, positive vibe only, yeah. Okay, only for tonight.
No.
Well, I want to hear from Miss Mala. Miss Mala, do you have any experience, or maybe do you have another point of view about these toxic people?
Actually, yeah, for me, based on my opinion, there are two kinds of people. It's gonna be your negative or positive energy for you or vibe. Yeah, as we know, there are only two kinds of tools that can make you be positive or negative person, like in social media and your real life. Yeah, as I know, I have lots of friends in real and in online friends, and they are both very no, we could say they are very good. They are super nice, and sometimes they are not. I mean, not in all day long, not in 1 year. They can be nice for you. So that's all for me.
Okay.
There are two
Well,
sides.
Fikri, there's another opinion maybe or an
Yeah.
experience.
Yeah, I agree with Mr. Diaz that toxic people are people that always make us degrade and then drive our lives to be worse than before. And then to me, like, I have some experiences related to toxic people, but fortunately in my campus, like, I really meet with toxic people because all of my friends are good enough for me.
Yes.
But when I was like in school, like I have several friends act as if like they know everything, and then like sometimes like I think like toxic people is the one that thinks they know everything, but actually they know nothing. Yeah, skeptics. Like when we always talk about detail, like they always talk about assumptions. Like they always break our opinion or our knowledge by their assumption. That
Yes.
it's really hard to fight with them because
Without
we
any
don't know.
proven or
Yeah, we don't
any
need a proven. So that's why like
research before,
we don't
yes.
know how to fight with that people. So that's why like I
Well.
think when I with the people like this, like I think that they are toxic people.
Okay. Well, so from the statement that Fikri said before, I can conclude that yes, we have to categorize the toxic people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Based on our perspective.
Based on our perspective, but actually, what's the category? How to categorize the toxic people itself? Maybe not all of the negativity that comes from our external or the people around us that called toxic. Maybe, but I don't know. Let's talk about this after the break. So don't go anywhere.